In this video, we will learn more about tags and elements. Although the basics of HTML is plain text, we need a bit more to make it a nice and shiny HTML document. Tags. The basic structure of an HTML document includes tags which surround content and apply meaning to it. The first line on the top, doctype HTML, is a doctype declaration and it lets the browser know which flavor of HTML you are using. HTML5 in this case. It is very important to stick this in. If you don't, browsers will assume you don't really know what you're doing and act in a very peculiar way. To get back to the point, HTML is the opening tag that kicks things off and tells the browser that everything between that and the HTML closing tag is an HTML document. The stuff between body and the body closing tag is the main content of the document that will appear in the browser window. So what are closing tags? The body and the HTML tag with a slash are called the closing tags. They put a close to the respective elements. Not all tags have closing tags. Some tags which do not wrap around content will close themselves. For example, the line break tag over here. A line break tag does not hold any content, so the tag merely sits by its lonely self. We will come across these examples later. All you need to remember is that all tags with content between them should be closed in the format of opening tag, content and closing tag. Let's see how this page looks on the browser. So as you can see, the word elements is written below the word tags because of the line break tag or BR tag. Otherwise, they both would have been in the same line. You might come across self-closing tags whereby a BR tag. For example, a BR tag will look like this. This is a remnant of XHTML, a form of HTML based on another markup language called XML. HTML5 is much more chilled out than XHTML and will be happy with either format. Some developers prefer one way, some prefer the other. So some basic HTML tags are doctype, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, heading tag, paragraph tag, BR tag, HR tag and the comment tag. Speaking of tags, let's talk more about the heading tag. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. Users often scheme a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 heading should be used for main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3 and so on. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the least important headings. Let's try out these headings and see how they look. So the code for this would be this. As you can see, we have written all the 6 headings with the 6 heading tags and this is how it looks. So next we have elements. Tags tend not to do much more than mark the beginning and end of an element. Elements are the bits that make up web pages. For example, everything that is in between the body and the body closing tag is the body element. As another example, title and the title closing tag are tags, while title welcome title closing tag is a title element. Also, I would like to show you how to run your HTML document. So first you write the HTML code, then you have to save your document. For example, I am saving this as example. Let's copy this code. then open a new file and I'll paste this. Now suppose I want to run this code. Firstly, I have to save this document. I will save this as web page, and don't forget to add the HTML extension and save. I'll save this on my desktop. And it's done. You just have to open this page and it will directly open on your browser. That's how simple it is. I hope you've understood this video. Thank you.